Welcome again to Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin, and we are continuing revising, learning some words in Kikuyu. That's the name of animals, and even as we proceed, I continue taking you through phrases, sentences, and much more. So welcome again, and we proceed with our presentation here, and today we are on my page number 16, and on my presentation you can see the animal that is there. That is a cat. So cat, let me just pronounce it the way we do in Kikuyu. Cat is called nyau, 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 nyau. Okay. So the first sentence reads, eno ne nyau. Eno, we say this is translated to this is cat. Eno ne nyau. Aya. Neyedete. Kweda, we said kweda means likes or loves. So nyau, cat, neyedete, likes gothaka. Thaka is the root for pray. Pray. Gothaka, we are saying the cat likes praying. Okay, good. Let's go on. Nyau ekoragwo na ndwara njugi mono. Nyau, cat, ekoragwo, gukoro is to have, to be, and all that. So ekoragwo, we mean it has. Ndwara are the, what do you call them? The crows. Okay, these ones. Yeah. Joge means sharp. Joge in one way means sharp, and in another way it also means a person who it can also refers to that ability to understand things faster. Yeah. Joge mono, mono, you see this much. So you are saying cat has sharp nails or claws or whatever you call them. Don't care. Okay, let's go on. Nyau yedete. Kweda, we say this likes. Korea is eating. Okay, Korea is means eating. Sorry, there are some power blackout here from time to time. So we are saying nyau yedete Korea nyama. Korea is eat. Nyama, we say this meat. Na kunywa iria. Kunywa is to drink. Okay, drink, drinking. Korea is eating. Nyama is meat. So we are saying the cat likes eating meat and drinking milk. Iria, we said iria, it means milk. Then we have a question here. Ehihi nyau yanyu etagwo atia? Ehihi nyau yanyu etagwo atia? This is a question we are asking. Gwetwo is called. So we are asking, what is the name of your cat? So that is it for that page. Let's go to the next page. Another very common animal called dog. So dog in Kikuyu is called gui, 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 gui. Yeah. So gui is the dog. You know, the gui, this is a dog. Gui ekogaga. Gokoga is to bark. Woo. Yeah, I know we had this in another time. Ekogaga, gu, 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 gu. Yeah, that is to bark. Gui eragagera moshie. Ko la gera. La gera, this word here. La gera, it means to look after. Soldier, the work that soldier does. They are protectors. La gera. Okay. La gera. Moshie is home. Moshie guito, our home. Moshie guito. home. Iragagira means it. I want to use a better. It offers security to a home, like that. Gui iriaga nyama. I know that you can tell me what that means in the comment section. Gui iriaga nyama. Ehihi kwanyu nemore gui. Kwanyu means your place. Nemore, it's a question asking, do you have? Neore, do you have? Nemore, do you have? Gui. Ehi kwanyu nemore gui. So we are asking, do you have dog in your home? Let's go to the next. And here we have maize. Maize in Kikuyu is bebe. Bebe. You know bebe, you know what that means so far. Bebe sia deo. What there is to crash and to do what? To grind. Okay? What there is that crashing and grinding. Etwekaga motu. Motu is fra. Orea which orugaga cooks gima ugali. So you are saying when maize is grounded, it becomes fra, which is used to prepare ugali. Bebe joa ciatherukio cietagwo mitugo. Joa means green. Okay, the maize that has not been dried. Okay, ciatherukio. Gutherũkia means boil. Therũkia mai, boil water. Therũkia nyama, boil meat. Therũkia bosho, boil beans. Therũkia chai, boil tea. So we are saying ciatherũkio. So bebe joa when green maize, ciatherũkio when it's boiled, cietagwo, they are called mitugo. Mitugo is those boiled green maize. Bebe na bosho. Bebe is maize, bosho is beans, ciarugwo, kuruga is cook. Ruga irio, cook food. Ruga shafashi, prepare chapati. So we are saying bebe na bosho ciarugwo when maize and bean are cooked together hamwe cietagwo, they are called githeri. Githeri is just mixed beans and maize cooked together. Ehihi ni uri wacina bebe. Gucina is burn. Okay? Or even roast. It has the same word. Shina, ciana irashinde thukuru. Ciana are children. Irashinire, we are saying burnt. Shukuru ama thukuru means school. Bebe ya gucinwo itagwo atia. Bebe ya gucinwo itagwo atia. I want you to go and look for that. What do we call roasted maize? I know many of you like eating roasted maize. So go and look what that means. What we call roasted maize. Let's go to the other one. Bed. So bed in Kikuyu, is called getada. Getada. If you know Swahili, it's almost the same because in Swahili it's kitada. So in Kikuyu is ge. G and A is ge. When you add N here, it becomes ge. So this should not be I, should be A. Ge ta da. Ge ta da. So ge kene getada. This is a bed. Getada nege ya gukomero. Gukomera, gukoma is sleep. Gukomera is to sleep on. Akomeire mwendwa wake. He is lying or sleeping on his lover. Yes, let's go on. Nĩ wega kwara gĩtanda. Kwara is spread. Ara gĩtanda. Spread the bed. Ara magotoni. Spread curtains. Nĩ wega kwara gĩtanda gĩaku. Gĩaku means yours. Warĩkia, when done. Kũrĩkia is to be done. Maybe you are doing something. When you are done, you can say nĩndarĩkia. 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 I'm done. Gũkĩra. Gũkĩra is wake up. Okay? To sleep, in Kikuyu you say gũkoma. Gũkoma. To wake up is gũkĩra. 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 Nĩndokĩra. I have woken up. Nĩndokĩra. Okay? In plural, nĩtũkĩrire. We have woken up when we are many. Nĩtũkĩrire. Gĩtanda gĩkoragwo na mũkondoro. Gĩkoragwo, it means has, na mũkondoro. Mũkondoro is mattress. Okay? Mũkondoro is mattress. Mashuka are the bed sheets. Mũrĩngĩti is the blanket. Okay? Mashuka is the bed sheet. Mũrĩngĩti is blanket. Mũkondoro is the mattress. I hope you have gotten that. Shuka actually, shuka just translate to leso. Okay? Hihi gĩtanda gĩaku gĩkoragwo na kĩngĩ. So we are asking, what else does your bed have? Okay, let's just continue to the next. Eggs. So eggs in Kikuyu are called matube. This should not be I, should be a matube. Okay? Maya ne matube. These are eggs. When it is one, it is itube. Itube. Matube marekagio nĩ mĩera. Kũrekia is lay. And it also means kũrekia is to, maybe when you are holding something, you just unhold it. I don't know if that is correct English. Forgive me. Yeah. Kuashiria kwa Kiswahili kama kuashiria, it also has the same meaning, but in English it also means lay eggs. Irekiria matube, it laid eggs. Mĩera is the opposite of what? Jaba. Mwera is a female hen. Mwera, when they are many, they are called miera. Mwera ne ngũkũ ya nga, that's what we are saying here. Ga is female. Okay? Ngũkũ is hen. So we are saying that mwera is a female chicken. Matube makoragwo na cama mũno. Cama is taste. Cama is taste. Makoragwo, we are saying they are to be, that is to be. They have that good taste. Makoragwo na cama mũingĩ. Makoragwo na cama. They are tasty. No gũtherũkia, we said it means boil. Kana ũkarange. Gũkaranga means fry. Okay? Karanga gĩtũngũrũ. Gĩtũngũrũ is onions. Karanga gĩtũngũrũ, fry the onions. Karanga nyama, it means fry the meat. Nyoni ciothe nĩ irekagia matumbĩ. Nyoni means birds. Ciothe, all, nĩ irekagia, they lay matumbĩ, eggs. So we are saying all birds lay eggs. Okay? All birds lay eggs. Nyoni ciothe nĩ irekagia matumbĩ. So let's go on to the next slide. Wow. We are again back to bird. Bird, you have said it's called nyoni. Ino ni nyoni, this is a bird. Nyoni ni etagwo kanyoni. A small bird, you can refer it to as kanyoni. The same we do in Kiswahili. Making words in the literal form, like kijiti unasema kijikiti. When it is big you say jiti, you know that. Nyoni, nini, nini is small, nene is big. Okay, I hope you get that now. Nene is big, nini means little. Okay, bia nini, little money. Irio nini, little food. So you are saying a little bird is called kanyoni. Kanyoni gaka getagwo kanyoni kaja. This bird is called this is the robin bird. Kanyoni kaja just refers to the robin bird. Ja is outside. Uma ja, go outside. Igira theinie, come inside. Theinie is inside. Ja is outside. Kariaga mushere na tugunyo. Korea is eat. Mushere means rice. Rice. Tugunyo are small worms. When they are big, they are called igunyo. Igunyo. Nyoni nyingi ni ciũmbũkaga na mathagu. Kũmbũka is fly. Ndege nĩ yombũka. The plane has flown. Nyoni nĩ yombũka. The bird has flown. Mathagu are the feathers. Macio, they are feathers. Nyoni imwe, one bird. Ta, like deri. Deri can refer to the eagles. It can refer to a variety of birds. Yeah. Nahogo. Yeah, these are the same family of birds that fly high. Shiriaga nyama. So we are saying that the hawk, and the eagle eats meat. Hii nyoni iria nene muno etagwo ate? Hii nyoni iria nene muno etagwo ate? So the question is, what's the name of the biggest bird that you know? And that is the ostrich. So you can look for the ostrich name in Kikuyu. And I think that is it for today, but let's just go to this song here. Yeah, and we are done with the first part of revising for this week. We have handled the whole of that. So can we sing this song? Kanyoni kaja gekũgwa jana mĩtheko. Ndakoria tĩrĩ wa mĩcore watindakũ. Ndatinda koiri ngĩaragania mbĩrĩgĩtĩ. Na mbĩrĩgĩtĩ na ndinainũkia magoto. Magwa iria-inĩ gwa cũcũ wa kamerũkia. Meru. This is just a song, simple song. So that is it. Please continue subscribing, continue sharing, and also telling me how the lessons are. And I do appreciate your comments. And may God bless you as you continue learning, learning this good language. And bye bye for now. Till next time. God bless you and be with you. See you in the next lesson.